Hello everyone, this is Falak and welcome back to another episode of our LinkedIn Live series Low Code Perspectives, where we invite tech enthusiasts, developers, and industry experts to come and share their insights on low code platforms. Today, we have with us Kuntal Mehta, the co-founder and CTO of Seashore Solutions, a Zoho Creator partner helping businesses implement low code solutions to streamline their processes. Hi Kuntal, welcome to the session. We are really delighted to have you on board with us for today's episode.
Hi, Falak. Thank you for having me today, talking about Zoho Creator and all things low code. So I'm excited. Let's get started and discuss low code as a platform and Zoho Creator as a solution for enterprises.
Yes. So, before we dive into low code, could you please give the audience a brief introduction about yourself and your role at your company?
Sure. So we are a services and a product company handling dealing with multiple technologies, including Zoho products, and Zoho Creator. We specialize on low code development for our customers. Our most of our customers are based in North America, Canada, and US. We are based out of Austin, Texas, with offices in India as well.
That's great to know. Thank you so much for sharing it. And let's dive into low code and Zoho Creator.
Sure.
So, could you tell us how the evolution has been for low code and why do you think the demand is high for it?
Yes, so low code journey started about 15, 20 years ago with companies like Zoho and a few other players. It was at a very nascent stage with very basic functionalities and features, and it can do certain types of flows and you know basic skills. But now it has evolved into uh, a very robust and powerful technology where it can help effortlessly build products, services, enterprise solutions. It can have custom designs. Uh, so now with low code having drag and drop functionalities and page builders and IDE snippets, it gets very easy for people to build a solution using low code, which was not the case in the past. And they can build complex enterprise level solutions and deploy it very fast, right? So the technology evaluation has been great, especially now being AI in play, right? You can have a lot of AI based features using low code. So the benefit is that you can deploy your solutions faster. The project failure rates are much lower, right? Because the time required to build a product using low code compared to a full code is much lesser. The cost is much lesser. So when go to market time frame is less, uh, the errors can be handled much faster, right?
True.
Or the business use case can be managed quicker, right? And the corrections can be made faster. So what we have seen is that using low code now for enterprise solutions is bringing superior results for the businesses in a shorter time frame.
True. So, why should you think that developers or even organizations should consider low code? Like, could you give us a few benefits about it?
So one is like you can automate your workflows. There are a lot of functions which can be automated quickly. You can build pages and forms and flows with drag and drop functionalities. With Zoho Creator, you can do a lot of customizations very quickly, right? So a traditional method may take 1 month to launch a custom function, we can achieve that same thing on using Zoho Creator or a low code platform in few days. Uh, so that is a big benefit in terms of launching it, right? So we have worked with enterprises in warehouse management systems, manufacturing ERP, shop floor access solutions, transport management system,
Yeah.
auction systems, solar industry. So there are a lot of industries who have unique requirements and unique workflows for that particular business, right? So typically, a company will use an existing ERP for an example, but they will spend a year or two customizing it and deploying it, right? So if you are launching a product or a solution which is going to take you a year or more, there is a lot of loss in transition or time loss, which may not give you the best results, right, of what you're looking for. So our experience is that launching these solutions in a speedy manner have helped companies improve their efficiencies and get the result they wanted from their business solutions much faster. And I feel that the customers who have we have worked with are really happy with what the solutions have been developed and deployed for them. Just to give you an example, we have built a product called Logitrack 360, which is fully built on Creator. It
Mm-hmm.
has multiple modules, right? So it has vendor management, procurement management, inventory management. We have shop floor access management, manufacturing process, electronic bills of material. We have transport management system, asset management system, shipping dashboard modules. With all these modules built for manufacturing, warehousing, and logistics industry and ERP, we Zoho has a lot of reporting customization capabilities using AI analytics, right? So the tools are very powerful to give not only the top level management insight, but also the process managers, the floor managers, and department managers to have access to the information on the fly and customize their workflows in matter of days. So we have deployed solutions in 30 to 60 days for clients in this vertical and this industries.
And that's great to know that you were able to build such an extensive ERP using Zoho Creator. We'll talk about it soon, but before that, could you tell us a bit about your role as a Zoho partner and how your experience with the product has been?
So our experience in one line is phenomenal. Uh, I've been a partner, a newer partner for last couple of years, but we have grown uh, at a very high speed. At a um, year over year growth has been phenomenal with Zoho. Uh, the requirement, the acceptance in the industry also is really good. Meaning companies who we pitch, right? So being a technology agnostic firm, we showcase customers that would they like to use Java, .NET, Oracle products. So or Zoho, right? And then we do the analysis for the customers of what they get using traditional technologies and a platform like Zoho Creator on low code. And we have seen acceptance by the customers in a large scale, meaning they are adapting to low code platforms much faster. There was a recent survey I read somewhere that we're expecting another new 10% of enterprise clients converting into low code this year, in this coming 12 months. So that is a really good growth. uh, Zoho Creator, right, offers you a very streamlined pricing, right? There are no hidden pricing, or it's a simple one price solution on a SaaS model, which is not the case with many of other products out there or services out there. So customers also know what they are paying from the get go, and what the future looks like, right? The price will not change after 6 months or a year, unless there is additional certain thing required, or tools or data requirements. But overall, it's a very, very simple, fair pricing. uh, our security is tremendous, right? Zoho having 6 million enterprise customers across the globe. Our servers are SOC 2 compliance, ISO compliant. We have a lot of other compliances we take care of in regional markets. We have HIPAA compliant servers and solutions. And our security levels are also very strong, right? So covering the base on the security side, on the platform side, on the cost side, uh, I think it becomes a no-brainer solution for the IT directors, CTOs, and decision makers to go for Zoho Creator as a solution to build their business requirements.
Yeah, right, that's right. So, if one had to build a solution on their own, how long would it take for it to be deployed or implemented according to you?
It's a very generic question, right? I mean, we have built solutions, because we have developers and certified developers on the team. We have developed solutions in 3 weeks, and
Mhm.
certain solutions can take about 6 months, right? But a generic person, if they dive into it, learn Zoho Creator, it would take them a month or two to get the grasp of it. And depending on what their needs are, what their business requirement is, smaller solutions can be built within a month, right? So you don't have to be a developer expert to use Zoho Creator, because it has so many drag and drop functionalities, automation, pre-built templates, and all that helps them in uh, you know going to the market themselves and not needing somebody. Creator is also mobile ready, right? So you can deploy it in one, and then you get the the solution on all the devices, whether it's
Yeah,
a mobile desktop or a laptop or a tab. So and it has so many integrated solutions and capability, plug and play, right? So that also they don't have to worry about how they will integrate with third party tools or applications. So looking at all those benefits, yes, I mean, it won't take a long time for somebody to learn and deploy a solution using Zoho Creator.
yeah. So you mentioned that you have built an extensive manufacturing logistics ERP called Logitrack 360, right? So could you tell us how long did it take for you to build and deploy the solution?
As it is a complete ERP solution, has 9 modules, and each module has a lot of depth and features and functionalities.
Mm-hmm.
Our version 1 took us about 15 months to build it. Uh, we also have a large development team on Zoho, uh, and we have about 25 integrations already pre-built on Logitrack 360. So it may not be a right comparison
Mm-hmm.
in terms of the time, right? Because it's
Yeah,
a very, very large product,
correct.
lot of intricacies. But I can tell you, if I was going to take a traditional route
Yeah,
to build that product, it would have easily taken us 2.5 years to 3 years to build it.
correct.
So I think we
Yeah,
saved about 60% of time, and I think about 60 to 70% in cost in
Yeah.
developing this product compared to a traditional method.
Hmm. So that is what I was coming to. I was going to ask you if you had taken the traditional route, how long do you think it would have taken? But yes, you answered it. So, what do you think are the benefits of low code, and why should someone, choose Zoho Creator in particular?
So, as mentioned, right, there are major two aspects to low code. One is your time. When you have less time for go to market, uh, the chances of loss in communication, loss in business requirement becomes manageable, right? Because uh, uh, you are able to do a UAD or a business test much faster, so that the corrections or changes can be made on the fly. And the second is the cost. Cost is a big factor these days, right? Competitiveness. So if you are to manage or protect your competitiveness, business competitiveness in the market, uh, low code, especially Zoho Creator, will be a big help. Uh, it will help you increase your productivity, accelerate your innovations, improve your IT environment, right? Because a lot of things are managed by Zoho itself.
Yeah,
Uh, and also, it is much easier to maintain the solutions compared to other platforms. So, just to sum it up, why use Zoho and Zoho Creator is uh, security and our server capabilities are comparable, if not superior, to any other enterprise players in the market, right?
mhm,
Uh, a lot of inbuilt tools, uh, on the fly integration capability,
yeah,
deploying in on all the platforms, a very fair pricing, right? No hidden cost, which is a big thing, right? Because a
yeah,
lot of companies, what they face is, okay, we have a price of, for example, $100, and then once the build is done, now it is $150 or $200, right? So those are managed very well using Zoho. Uh, and yeah, that those are the overall benefits of using Zoho. Plus Zoho has 50 plus products,
correct.
so you have your custom solution, but then you can take that custom solution, integrate with Zoho CRM or Zoho Books, right? So let's say you are managing your sales pipeline using Zoho CRM, but then you want to manage your warehouse or your backend trading business or other solutions or manufacturing with a custom solution, because the products will not suffice everything you need for your business requirement. So, because Zoho has 50 plus products, we can integrate that Zoho CRM, people, books, other products into your custom creator solution,
Yeah,
which is a very big benefit in itself, right? So your all your solution, complete business solution, residing on one platform and not using multiple technologies, multiple integrations, and then managing those, right? Maintaining those,
yeah,
so complete solution in one, what happens is your maintenance cost is lower, uh, your infrastructure cost is manageable, your integrations are controlled. So looking at these benefits, for mid-scale businesses, Zoho is a very strong and powerful solution and platform.
yeah. So you spoke about the benefits, right? So, and you have a solution. So, have you implemented the solution with your customers? And if you could tell us, like, how it has helped them in terms of productivity and cost reduction?
So we came out of beta version and we've
Mhm.
developed it with few customers right now in warehouse industry, in manufacturing and shop floor, uh, and in auction industry. what we've found is we have been able to, using Zoho Creator, we have been able to give them a very precise solution for their business needs, right? These are all medium scaled businesses with not a very massive budgets, right? They're not spending millions of dollars building a solution. So what we've seen is we've been able to deploy their solutions in months, uh, in a cost effective manner, and they really like it, right? Because it solves their business problems and business needs,
Yeah,
uh, giving them a very quick insight in the operations. So overall, customers are very happy with Zoho, of how the products are coming out, how their business needs have been resolved, uh, and and they are committed to grow their business using Zoho Creator and the tools, other tools.
Thank you for sharing that. So, could you tell us your favorite feature or your favorite thing about Zoho Creator itself?
Uh, the ease of use, right? Deploying it on all platforms in one go. I don't have to worry about having to code separately for mobile versions, right?
Yeah,
It now has custom designing capabilities and very rapid integrations, because what happens is when you want to integrate with third parties or other tools and services, sometimes those single integrations can take months, which are now taking just days, right? Automations, the AI capability, the
yeah,
so Zoho's AI capability is growing leaps and bounds right now, and we see a lot of use cases coming from the customers who want to use AI and generative AI and Zoho to solve those needs. So looking at these three four features, I think Zoho Creator will have a very strong following and rapid growth in North America in coming years.
yeah. Thank you for that. So, like you mentioned about the rapid time, the vision of Zoho Creator itself is to empower everyone, be it IT, non-IT citizen developers, to build applications faster. So, it was lovely talking to you today, and I got to learn a lot from you as well. So, thank you for joining in, KJ.
Thank you for that.
And I would also like to thank our users for joining in today. And we have a lot more initiatives coming up for the Creator Developer Month. So please do watch out our social media spaces and make sure you follow us on LinkedIn, Twitter, and even Instagram and take part in the many contests and challenges that we have planned for you. So we have some really cool initiatives and campaigns planned for the entire month. And you can also win some great prizes along with it. So, yes, stay tuned and we will be back soon with another episode of Low Code Perspectives. Thank you.
Thank you.